In today's video, I will walk you through how to create accounts receivable and accounts payable in Xero. Start by locating the top navigation bar and click on Accounting. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, select Chart of Accounts. This section displays all of the accounts currently available in your organization and is where you'll create new ones. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts page, look for the Add Account option and click it. This opens the form where you'll enter the details for the new account. The first setting you'll need to choose is the account type. This is where you'll decide whether you're creating an accounts receivable account or an accounts payable account. If you're creating an account for money your business expects to receive, choose Current Asset from the Account Type menu. This is the category used for accounts receivable. If you're creating an account for money your business owes, choose Current Liability instead. This is the category used for accounts payable. After selecting the account type, move on to the account name. Enter a name that clearly identifies the purpose of the account. For example, you can use a name that reflects customer invoices for receivables or supplier bills for payables. Using clear names makes it easier to recognize the account later. Next, enter an account code. This code acts as the account's identifier and helps you quickly locate it when reviewing your chart of accounts or financial reports. After entering the code, add a description for the account if you want to include additional details. This provides extra context about the account and can make it easier to identify when reviewing your records. You'll also see an option to specify tax information. If tax information applies to the account you're creating, select the appropriate tax setting before saving the account. Once you've entered the account type, account name, account code, description, and any applicable tax information, review everything to make sure the details are correct. When you're satisfied with the information, click Save Y. Your new account will immediately be added to your chart of accounts and will be available for your financial transactions going forward. Please like and subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you for watching.